What's going on there, guys? This is Harley here, 77 Cycles. Today we just want to talk to you about the newest option available on our website, the Smooth Criminal. This is an OEM 6-speed transmission cassette that we purchased through our dealership, but we back cut the gears, we shim third. On this one here, we use the billet Baker shift drum. You can either get that in the N1, which is neutral all the way down, or you can get it in the stock configurement. But we also, in the trap door, we have ceramic bearings that we get through Worldwide Bearings, and we did a video earlier this week. It literally shows how smooth these bearings are. It is insane. But anyways, guys, we do still use the OEM shift forks, but this comes with our billet door, of course. And if you guys got any other questions, feel free to reach out to us, 217-682-3257 or harley.77cycles@yahoo.com. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We look forward to hearing from you.